Hello guys, this is Kumerito, and in the previous tutorials we spoke of how to make money online in Cameroon. We spoke of how to make money blogging, how to make money with affiliate marketing and all of that. But today we're going to take it a little bit further. We're going to look at how you can make millions online in Cameroon right from the comfort of your home. My name is Kumerito. I blog on monster tutorials, and the chances that you're watching this on YouTube, and that's money master tutorials. So let's just dive straight into the tutorial. So what you're seeing right now is my earnings for AdSense, my today's earnings for AdSense, and you can see it's $100 and it's changing, keeps increasing. Yeah, so there is no limit to how much you can actually make online. I keep saying the same thing. So this is something genuine. It's Google AdSense. It's free to sign up. Yeah, so it's totally free. Like the other ones I'll be sharing in these other methods I'll be sharing, they're totally free to sign up. So just refresh this page so that you'll be sure that okay, this is my account. I'm not bluffing. Yeah. So outro, I've been sharing purely genuine methods to make money online. My main things that I promote, that I really believe in. You have blogging, you have affiliate marketing, you have CPA, that's cost per acquisition, and just refresh it so that you know it's my earnings. It's not something I'm bluffing. Okay, so while it's refreshing, let's just continue. So I have different things I've been promoting, like freelancing, writing jobs online. I believe Cameroonians make a lot of money with that. Those who understand how it works. So you see, it has changed, and we and I've been able to make money online in a couple of ways that I've been sharing on my blog moneymastertutorials.com. Don't bother with the words I'm calling or whatever the sites or links I'm mentioning or any resources I'm mentioning. You'll find the links in the description below. So it's pretty easy to make money today more than ever before, and I've been able to make money by selling my ebooks on Amazon, on Smashwords, and or through my blog, through AdSense like this one. And AdSense is just one of the, 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 the lowest ways to earn. Yeah, because we have affiliate marketing that earns really big. It's one of the fastest ways to make money online, but it's also the most difficult. So I'm going to put the link in the description to the blog post of this tutorial so that you can read it step by step and really know what to do. But this tutorial is going to be a little bit longer than the other ones because I want to give out a lot of value. So the first thing you need to do, I'm going to share uh, 7 things you need in order to make millions online in Cameroon monthly. So the first thing you need is you need a website. You need a website. You can't really be successful online without a website nowadays. Your website, uh, whether you're into affiliate marketing, you're into blogging, or you're into freelancing, whatever method you choose, or you have an ebook or whatever, you need a website. Your website will serve as your portfolio if in case you're a freelancer. Your website will serve as your portfolio if in case you have services that you offer even to Cameroonians or to any other person or any other prospects in the world. And your blog, like my blogs, they're really making me a lot of money. All the websites I have today were born by one single blog, Money Master Tutorials. So I have several websites. I don't know exactly how many of them right now. I don't know if they are up to. There are many. Let's just put it that way because there's some that are subdomains and so on. So you need that. Even for affiliate market, you need an affiliate site that is really niche oriented. So it's like that brings us to the second thing you need. Number two, you need a profitable niche. I mean a niche that is converts highly, and you need a low competition niche, a niche that has low competition, so that as a beginner you can succeed. And I'm going to list some of the niches that you can go into that are very profitable in the blog post, so you can click the link below in the description. So and you need a high volume of traffic in your niche, a niche that has high volume of traffic. So the third thing you need is traffic. You need traffic. That's the third thing you need. And you need traffic from different sources, and I'm going to share all the sources in that article, but mainly I get my traffic from search engine optimization. That's from Google search. I get my traffic from social media, uh, that's Facebook and other platforms like Instagram and so on. But the main one is Facebook. I get it from forums and from paid ads for certain products that I promote, like for cost per acquisition products. They need a monetization method. Monetization platforms are AdSense, CPA networks like Max Bouncy, ClickBank, and all these platforms. It's free to sign up. You could also make a lot of money, way more, a lot of money by direct sales of your products and services on your site. I've done that in the past. Like I used to offer training and people pay me and I train them and so on. But I don't do that anymore right now. I may do that at some point. I may start training Cameroonians back again. But I've been bogged down with a lot of projects. So the next one is think beyond the Cameroonian audience. That's a fit point because people get online, they're thinking of Cameroonian audience. There are offers you can't promote them to Cameroonian audience. They just like you promote them to the US audience. That's the best audience to promote such offers to. So you should think beyond the Cameroonian audience. And the seed point is you have to be patient. You need to understand that it takes time to make money online. It really takes time. You're going to encounter a lot of challenges. And the 7 point is you have to keep testing. You have to keep trying different monetization method, trying different uh, things online, be experimenting until you finally find what works for you. And the bonus point that I promised I was going to give you at the end is you you can't do it alone. You need a mentor. You need a mentor. You must not have an in-person mentor. If you can't have a mentor in person, I've been mentoring a lot of youths. You could read books by mentors. You could watch content or read content by mentors. It's available in the web. You could follow a particular mentor, and but having a mentor helps you to copy and paste the same system that they are using. So you could copy the same system that I'm using to replicate and do put up your own the same way. So as I said from the first point, that you need a website. So if you want to start your website today, there's a guide. The link is in the description on how to start a website, how to create your website, and you get it with a discount of 67% with Bluehost. That's the company I host my website with. The websites are fast, they're optimized, the platform is really good, secure. So they're going to give you a free domain for you to get started fast. I'm going to give you a free domain to sign up. If you use the link in the description, I'm going to get a little commission if you sign up with a link. And that's how I justify making these videos, but it's at no extra cost to you. So click the links, check the descriptions below, and you're going to find every single link you need to get started. And feel free to comment if this is your first time. Make sure you subscribe and give me that thumbs up, just like the video, and please share if you can. Thank you.